Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mex Mundo kitchen. Today's recipe is for a delicious agua fresca. If you don't know what agua fresca is, the translation would be sweet water, which is super common in Mexico. And the flavor for this one is oatmeal horchata. So I hope you guys really enjoy the recipe because it's super yummy. The ingredients you need to make your oatmeal horchata are 1 cup of oatmeal, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 cinnamon stick, 3/4 of a cup of white granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 2 liters of water. Okay, so like I said, this recipe is super easy. I got a head start because I don't want to make the video too long and I wanted to make it fast for you guys. So the only thing I did for head start was I put the cup of oatmeal, the cinnamon stick, I broke it in half, and I added a cup of water, which I took from the 2 liters that I am asking for, and I just put them in a cereal bowl so that it soaks. I want the oatmeal and the cinnamon stick to soak in the water. I left it here soaking for about 1 hour. Once the hour passes that it's nice and soft, we're going to pour the whole content of the bowl in our blender. We're going to add about 3 cups of water from the 2 liters that I asked. We're going to add our vanilla extract, our sugar, and our evaporated milk, or unsweetened condensed milk, I think it's also called. The size, the one I'm using, is 410 grams. These are usually standard everywhere. It's not like they sell huge ones, at least not that I've seen. So if yours is about the same size, it'll work perfectly. It doesn't matter if it's a bit with more milk or less milk. That's not really something important in the recipe, as is the sugar. I suggest 3/4 of a cup, but if you guys want to add more or less, that's also up to you. It depends on how sweet you like your drink. So you have everything in your food processor or your blender, whatever you're using, probably the blender. You just blend it well. You really want everything to really get chopped up fine and mixed. And then you're going to strain it, and especially you do want to strain it because of the cinnamon stick. You don't want to have little hard pieces of cinnamon stick while you're drinking it, so that's very important. And that's basically it. You'll have a delicious oatmeal horchata and snap. Okay, so everything was blended. We just have 1 remaining liter of water here, which we're going to add. We had the 1 cup of water with the oatmeal soaking, and then we added the 3 cups to process everything. So we have 1 liter remaining. We're going to add it to our jug. We're going to stir well, and then we're going to add some ice to make it even yummier. Okay, so we are done. As you saw, it's super fast, super easy. Just going to test it for sugar in case it needs a bit more. Let's see. It's like just perfect. It's not too sweet actually, but I prefer it that way. Like I said earlier, if you want it sweeter, you can always add more sugar. I have a playlist in my other channel, which is Mex Mundo. It's the Spanish channel, but there's videos in English there as well, so you can pop over there. And I have strawberry horchata, rice horchata, Jamaica water, which is hibiscus. There's a few things there which you may enjoy, so just look for the agua fresca or fresh water, flavored water, fruit water. I can't remember what the playlist is called, sorry. But just look for it in case you want any other types of yummy, delicious flavored waters to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and to the other channel as well. And I'll see you guys next time.